Good luck, Johnny.
Yeah. Did you race?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
What? Qualified fifth? What?
Finished ninth, I think.
Ninth?
Oh, yeah?
Eighth or ninth.
How many yellows?
2 or 3?
Pit?
No,
Why not?
you don't have to pit.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
Make it interesting.
I mean, I was running up in the, like, top 6 most of the race, so none of us were pitting.
No shit.
Yeah, you definitely
Flip.
don't need to pit. Oh yeah.
I saw it.
Get down on that yellow line, baby. Stay on the yellow line the whole way around the track.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Gonna kick me out. Grid. That's why. Where the fuck was
Third.
I?
What? Way to go.
That's all bad. Are you fucking kidding me?
No, because I've done, I don't know, 6, 7 races to try and get my I rating up, or my safety
Yeah.
rating rather. Stay on that yellow line all the way around the track.
Yeah.
Stay on the bottom.
Yeah. Did you see? Just watch the end of this last race today?
We did.
Oh yeah. You see the. You know who hits the fence? He gets oh.
Yeah, his nuts are in his throat.
That's nuts. He ain't got no nuts.
I was
Got
like,
a bag.
oh, Bubba.
Nah, his nuts looked like the watermelon.
Oh yeah. His own teammate took him all. Kurt Busch just lambasted him. I wanted what you call the petty car to win.
Oh, fuck.
40.
I can't remember who's driving what.
It's I forget his name. He knew he made a mistake when he went up the block. That was it. I can't believe they went the last 5 laps without wrecking.
Yeah. From what I gathered, they never really had the big one.
No. I had it on out in the garage, and a couple of them got a lot of Logano. I don't know what happened to him. He got pushed into the fence hard, came across and cleaned out about 8 more. So, typical Talladega.
Yep.
This race here will be a typical Talladega. Oh yeah, I better check them things. Get no pass repair, huh?
Nope.
Okay.
I did 3 races that went green to checker.
Did you?
Yeah. There were a couple, cars that spun out, but no caution.
No shit.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I like the SK, John. Dad showed me the picture of it today.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah. Just another race car. So I'll be excited once you get on the track to see what it's got.
Big engine?
It makes pretty good power. It was good on the dyno.
Nice.
Dale, everything on these cars is laser cut. Everything.
Really?
All the brackets, the body, everything is laser cut.
Huh. What do the welds look like?
They're normal welds. I mean, they're not special. You buy a Raceworks car, it's all TIG welded.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's all wire fed.
Right, check.
Like
Got
this.
you there, Ryan.
Yeah. Choke on this.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem. Take a long time here. Let's go.
You qualify, or are you not qualifying to keep
I already
it
did it.
going?
They kicked me out of after my first lap.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it was time to grid.
Qualified third.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, that ain't probably a good thing.
Well, you want to stay up in front or all the way in the back?
Yeah, either place.
Yes. You're in a pretty good spot.
Just think of it this way. I was up front for the start and
Whoop.
for the entire thing, and I wrecked the two guys for the win.
Yeah. Keep forgetting the start finish line's way the hell down here.
Yeah. Some bitches. Go get some.
You going green?
Yeah. Nice start, Johnny. Ooh. Way to be smooth.
They're wrecking.
Oh no.
What happened?
What a surprise.
I don't think he was clear all the way.
I wasn't. I was not clear
Definitely
all the
right
way.
in the first lap. Second lap. Yeah, I don't know why every race I do in this, people insist on diving up the middle. It's so dumb.
It's fine if you go 3 wide as long as you hold your damn line.
And
I don't know what that moron was
that
doing.
Like you're broke, or
Yeah,
Oh.
greasing each other in the first 2 laps and going 3 wide. It's crazy. And then confused every time.
Checking up near 3.
Well done. Repairs
Huh.
needed.
Please go into all 4. 3.
In 3, baby.
Does it say how much repairs?
Oh, I'm still getting towed.
Oh,
Yeah, I wasn't clear, was I?
I doesn't appear.
Oh, I just felt it. I thought I was clear. I was going to the top.
Yep.
what happened? Just
I was going to the top to go around the leader, and I got doink, just a little push in the back and right in the fence.
oh man.
He pulled a Bubba Wallace.
Yeah. But no, I was going to the top. I thought it was clear enough. I saw on the side there. I said, oh, I'm clear. And all of a sudden, I start going up. I feel, uh-oh, I'm not clear. It's what it is. They're all saying, moron, go 3 wide. Shut the fuck up. I think it cleaned out the whole field, no?
There was a lot of people spinning with you.
Well, currently on pit lane, I think they're. Okay, let's see. 2 guys, it looks like, disconnected. And then there are an additional 5 people who had meatball flags.
Oh, shit.
Well, right now you're the lucky dog. You're the first one on lap down. You still towing?
Oh, yeah, we got 24 seconds left to tow. I'd say I was sorry, but I ain't.
You were going to the lead.
Oh, welcome.
Your spotter had jet lag. He was just too long of a delay.
Okay, we're in the pits. I got required what? 31 minutes.
Yeah, your engine blew up.
That's
Yeah, so your race is done.
Yep.
Okay.
Take
That's
care of
pretty
that.
good.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah. Okay.
You got
Well,
qualifying or 3rd qualifying points.
That's
So-
it. All right. Let me
All
get
right.
out of this mess. I don't know.
So this is going to conclude this recording session.
Yes, it is. That was a short one.